Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, James. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I just finished a meal at our local restaurant, Sunny Bites, and I wanted to talk with you about my experience. Have you been there before?
Yes, I have been there a few times. I really like Sunny Bites because the food is very tasty and the atmosphere is cozy. What did you order?
I ordered the grilled chicken salad and a glass of fresh orange juice. The salad was full of crisp lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and grilled chicken on top. It tasted very fresh and light.
That sounds delicious. I usually order their beef burger and sweet potato fries. I love the burger because it is juicy and the fries are crispy.
I have seen the burger on the menu, but I have not tried it yet. The chicken salad I had was very good. The dressing was light, and the vegetables were fresh.
I think you would like the burger too. The restaurant uses good quality meat, and the bun is soft. The price is also very fair.
Yes, the prices at Sunny Bites are very reasonable. My meal cost about $12, which is a good price for a healthy dish.
I agree. My burger meal costs around $15, and I feel it is worth the price because the portions are generous.
Did you notice how the service was? The waiter was very friendly and helpful. He answered all my questions about the menu and gave me suggestions.
Yes, I noticed that too. The staff at Sunny Bites are always polite and quick. I remember one time I asked for extra sauce, and they brought it very fast.
That is important to me. Good service makes the dining experience much better. I also liked the restaurant's ambiance. The place is decorated with bright colors, and soft music plays in the background. It feels warm and inviting.
I agree. The lighting is soft, and the tables are arranged nicely, so that you can have a quiet conversation with your friends. The restaurant is not too crowded, which makes it a good place to relax.
Yes, I felt very comfortable. I sat by the window and I enjoyed watching people go by. The view of the street was interesting and it added to the overall experience.
I like sitting by the window too. It gives you a little bit of nature and the busy life outside at the same time. It makes the meal feel more lively.
Exactly. I also talked a little with the person sitting next to me. We discussed the food and our favorite dishes at the restaurant. It was a pleasant conversation.
That sounds nice. Sometimes, meeting new people at a restaurant can make the day more enjoyable. I often chat with the waiter or other guests when I go there.
Do you usually try new dishes at Sunny Bites, James?
Yes, I do. I like to try something different each time. Last time, I had their vegetarian wrap, and it was very tasty. The ingredients were fresh and well cooked.
I want to try that wrap next time. I like the idea of a vegetarian meal because it is light and healthy.
You should. Also, they have a variety of sauces. I think the spicy sauce really adds flavor without being too hot.
I agree. I enjoy spicy food sometimes, but I prefer a mild taste. The grilled chicken salad I had was not spicy at all, but it was very fresh and balanced.
That is a good choice for a healthy meal. I think Sunny Bites does a great job of offering both healthy options and more indulgent dishes like the burger.
Yes, they have something for everyone. I also like that the menu changes every few months, so you always have something new to try.
True, variety is important. It keeps you interested in coming back. Have you noticed any special events at the restaurant? Like live music or theme nights?
Last month, I heard they had a live acoustic night. There was soft music and a relaxed atmosphere. It made the dining experience even more enjoyable.
I remember that event. I went with some friends and we enjoyed the music while eating. It was a fun way to spend an evening, and it also introduced us to new artists.
I think events like that help the community come together. They show that the restaurant is more than just a place to eat, it is a social space where people share experiences.
Absolutely. It creates a warm and friendly environment. When you go out to eat, you are not just paying for food, but also for the atmosphere and the service.
That is very true. I appreciate when a restaurant takes care of every detail, from the quality of the food to the friendliness of the staff and the decoration of the space.
I do too. Sunny Bites always makes me feel welcome. I think that is why I come here regularly. The consistency in their service and food quality is a big plus.
Yes, consistency is key. I have been to many restaurants where the service or food quality changes from one visit to another. But at Sunny Bites, I know I will always have a good experience.
Do you have any suggestions for improvements at the restaurant?
Well, sometimes the waiting time can be a bit long during busy hours. I think if they could add one more server during lunch, it would be even better.
That's a good point. I have noticed a little delay during peak times, but overall, the service is excellent.
I agree. The small delay does not spoil the experience, and the food is always good. I also like the prices. They are very affordable.
Yes, the prices are fair for the quality and portion size. I think that makes Sunny Bites a popular spot for many people.
I feel that dining out is a complete experience. That involves not just the food, but also the service, the ambiance, and the overall vibe.
Exactly. I enjoy the feeling of a well-run restaurant that makes you feel at home. It turns an ordinary meal into a pleasant experience.
I couldn't agree more. I always look forward to visiting Sunny Bites because it gives me a break from my daily routine and a chance to relax with good food and good company.
Me too, Emily. I always feel refreshed after a good meal there. It gives me energy for the rest of the day.
Thank you for discussing your experiences, James. I feel our conversation makes me even more excited about my next visit.
Thank you, Emily. I enjoyed our chat and sharing our thoughts about the restaurant. It is always good to reflect on what makes a dining experience special.
Let's keep in touch and maybe plan to dine together next time. It would be nice to try a new dish together and discuss it in person.
That's a great idea, Emily. I would love that. We can choose a day when the restaurant is not too crowded so that we have more time to talk.
Perfect. I will send you a message later this week to plan our next outing.
I look forward to it, Emily. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your meal today.
You too, James. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, Emily.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.